It's a cleaning day. So this is the vacuum we have. I haven't shown you guys. We got this at Costco a couple months ago. It's the Shark, this blue one. And it's really good. You guys, I have it a Dyson and I used, oh my gosh, this is gonna sound crazy. I'm kind of weird with like gift cards. And I saved up all our gift cards from our wedding and I bought the Dyson with that. And this part of the Dyson, freaking, it got caught where you couldn't detach it to get hair out or anything. So then they sent us a new head because I contacted customer service. And then this part of it, like the latch freaking broke. And I'm like, literally months after. So it's like ridiculous how much that vacuum was. And I like it though. It has really good benefits, but it does not last. So now I'm waiting for this head for the Dyson to come back into stock. So it did. Within 15 minutes it was sold out because I think people just have the same problem. And it's $100. So now I'm just like, so then Glenn got us this one and it works so good. It's lightweight. The battery isn't the best, but it's decent. But it does the job and I love it. The one thing I do miss about the Dyson is the attachment right here that you can put at the end to do the couches and stuff. It gets every little dust and dirt or whatever out. So yeah, I'm not letting that Dyson go to waste because I still want it because we paid with our gift cards from our wedding. So it's like, what the heck? Yes, I'm sucking up everything. Whatever's in sight, I'm doing. But yeah, I just thought I would show you this vacuum because it works really well. And it's lightweight, that's the main thing, lightweight. And it's not crazy loud. I know people wonder about that. The only thing that sucks on this is when you put the latch to get rid of all this stuff, it looks really dusty because I put stuff on the carpet. It's that it doesn't get rid of all the hair, like it doesn't just shoot out right away. You have to like physically grab hairs and stuff, but who cares? So we have all this on the mantle, and then I ended up decorating the Christmas tree at like 3 a.m. and I still have to add the bulbs. And yeah, we do have a fresh tree in the back because Glenn loves fresh trees, and that's like our sentimental tree with all the ornaments that we love, but this is like the IG tree. Also, I don't know why I continuously want to try these. I know it's going to make me nauseated. I'm going to try one sip. But I only like Poppy. But Glenn's like, are you going to drink this? Because right now, he's helping out. And he just checked our mini fridge. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. And a Coke exploded. We had Cokes for my mom's birthday for people. It's okay now?
Yeah.
Okay. If you guys want a little mini fridge tour, we got the Poppy, of course, going on. Love Poppy. Bubbly lime, my favorite. Pineapple cider. Jameson ginger and lime. The holiday ginger ales are our favorite. Cranberry, blackberry is my favorite. We have some Cokes and Sprites for my mom's birthday. 3D Energy sent me these and I'm obsessed. They give you a shit ton of energy. We got the Trulies. I wanted to try this pack and honestly, it's like more misses than more misses than hits. And Glenn loves this ginger beer. I get this all the time for him. This is probably from something because we don't really drink beers. Ooh, but this is my favorite margarita. I have one left. They just sell it in a 4-pack. A strawberry milk I like from H Mart. A Hawaiian Sun. And a taro bubble. I paused because it said bubble tea, but a taro milk tea. We say milk tea. And then this strawberry yogurt drink that I like. Get new drinks at H Mart all the time and I try them little by little, but I've actually tried all those except the taro one. Taro, I know we all say it different. I say it both ways, but yep. And then Glenn found this. He's like, are you even gonna drink this shit? I'm like, I don't even know why I try. At least A for effort, right? I have to figure out this whole thing because Glenn's been making this little Lego thing. And this is like from Halloween, so that has to go. There's Glenn's whiskey and a skull. I got him this for Christmas last year. He loves it. These flowers I wanted to dry and put them in books because they're still soft enough. My mom and I used to dry flowers all the time whenever we got flowers for occasions. When you smash them in books, they look really pretty. And then I got these from Target. I did a reel on it. And ooh, look, peppermint marshmallows. We have a Halloween decoration.
Oh.
Where'd you find these Oh, Hallmark. Some ornaments. We gotta move some stuff, but here is the fresh tree. Oh my gosh, the star already moved. So we're gonna decorate the tree probably tomorrow, huh?
Yeah.
Have a little Christmas date night. And then we got this, well, and tonight, because I haven't seen you. I haven't seen him in a week, you guys. I saw him the last 7 days. He's worked in a row, and I saw him at the most an hour and a half to 2 hours every day. Got this at Costco, so I'm super excited for us to put that together. And then, of course, we have this that we've always used. It turns on the lights. I'll do that another time. And then we have to finish all this. So that's like a Disneyland popcorn bucket. Another little, you know, little decor thing. I know you guys want to see our Disney stuff, which I'll show you guys. We have the Stitch, of course, the mini little nutcracker, and here's the newer one. This one was from Costco and is a very good price. I was in shock. It was like 65 bucks. This stuff, it's like very rare to see that's under 100, I swear. So I don't even know how it was priced like that because it's a large one and it's like a little carved piece from the artist. I always forget his name, but he does all the pieces we collect. Another little nutcracker, Mickey to match. We have a countdown, that's wrong, we'll fix it. And then this is my favorite, and the tree, the little star lights up. And of course we have our little stockings. And here's Hoku's. It's been hard trying to keep up with all the decor, but we're gonna eventually get to it. Also, I love this sterling silver earring I just made. I made them last night. So I have a gold edition, so now I have sterling silver. I didn't launch it when I launched the gold because I wasn't happy with some of the materials. And I don't want to launch anything half-assed, so. Glenda's helping me clean, so thank you, babe. Love you.
Love you too.
How much? Tell everybody.
I love you a lot.
You're such an ass the way you said it.
Mm-hmm.
How much you love me?
I love you a lot. So if you put a price on love, then it's not priceless anymore, right?
So then in this Din Tai Fung bag, what is in here? What do you think? It's definitely not Din Tai Fung, which I wish it was. But it's my Nativity set that I packed up last year. This was like such a good buy. It was $20 and I love it. So I'm going to set this up right now. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick our wedding picture just for the holidays just down here, which is okay. And my best friend gave me this when our dog passed away. I think it was when Yappy passed away. So I have the Nativity set, and it was only $20. I mean, it's not like a super intricate one, but I think it's beautiful. Oh, that definitely should not be facing down. That's not very nice. 3 kings. Gold, frankincense, and myrrh. Okay. Right there. Let's have Mary right here. It's like a little setup. See? Very sweet. I love it. Only $20. I think it's perfect. You guys, someone posted my brand. Happy customer. Makes me so happy. I have no idea. Seeing everything come alive. This is a micro clover in silver. And then the mid-size paperclip in silver as well, but it just makes me so excited. People just posting on their own. So thank you so much, Kristen. You're the best. Oh, I missed it, you guys. Oh, here we go. Here we go. See, so this foam comes. So I've been using this, and we haven't done it in a while. Disposer and pipe cleaner. So you stick it in there. You just follow the instructions, and then the yellow foam comes from there and there to clean it all, and it smells really good. I won't lie, our sink was pretty nasty. I'm going to toss this brush. That's how nasty it was. Look how I got really into it. I love this from Clorox. It smells so good. There's 2 of those stacked. That's why it looks different. But I'm just really heavy duty cleaning this because it was not the best. I'm not going to lie. I've not been able to keep up. Glenn asked me what I want for Christmas, and I was like, a cleaning service to come one time, please. Cleaning takes up so much time. I mean, I try to do a little bit here and there, but it's just like some days I just let it go because I've been busy. I don't have time, you know? I do love Plink. I use this a lot, but we have some really amazing lemons that you can just use lemons and pour that into the sink and use the disposal, and it smells so good and fresh if you don't have these. And we need to use our lemons, so I'm going to use it. I'm trying to get Glenn on camera because he's so dramatic. He tries and helps. He's like, bleh, and I'm like choking to death. I'm going to try to get on camera. Let me just place it down. Are you okay? Also, if you guys have not used this glass cleaner, it is really good. I saw this underneath a recommendation. And I forgot her name, but she owns her own cleaning company in Texas, and she like blew up. And she did like a whole collaboration with Scrub Daddy. It's so cool. She recommended this one, and ever since I got it, it's been so good. And I should have cleaned this before I put the little nativity, but I'm just gonna do it now. So you give it a good shake, and when you spray it, it's a foam, and I'm telling you, it makes this glass look brand new. Look at that already, and it doesn't leave streak marks at all, and it is amazing. This really needed a dusting. Well, I cleaned the bottom too, so give me that. But look how quick that is already just from cleaning it. Recommend this, way better than Windex. This one, I think it was hard to get, so I just got it off of Amazon, but yeah, I'll link everything that I can that's available. All right, guys, that is gonna be it for that part of the vlog. Here's like Glenn and Hoku's room. Hi, did you miss us? We just came back from a very quick little Disney night. It was so much fun. Glenn worked 7 days in a row, and I've probably seen him a total of 13 hours in the last seven days. So it was nice to finally spend time with my husband. When we ate, we were so hungry because we literally ate nothing. We like scarfed down like our food so fast, and we just got a bunch of stuff. We went on Smugglers, Pirates, and Thunder Mountain. And then we just looked at all the Christmas stuff and then seeing possible presents because we're going to be coming back one more time in the month. And then that's it for the month. So that's when we're going to get like Christmas presents because we get a discount now that we have a pass, which is great. So now we don't have to buy anything full price. I can show this room like another time, but it's like Hoku's and Glenn's room because her cat tree is here. Yep, it's her room too. So yeah. All right, I'm gonna get going, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Bye.